The Federal is again at the same spot where on the Monday 6:52 p.m. in the evening where the blast occurred in a I-20 moving car, I-20 car which was moving over there. It was parked in the metro station parking area, and when the car came, there was a blast occurred, and till now the 12 people has died in this blast, including two females, and around 20 people are being hospitalized, and they are being treated in the hospital. The DNA test is happening of the all the diseased people, so that with the relatives, so that their DNA can be matched with their family members. But till now, what has happened that the Delhi police and the security forces has arrested many people across the country, from the Jammu Kashmir to you can say in Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. And till now, man who was driving this I-20 car, his name is Dr. Muhammad Umar Nabi. He belongs from Pulwama, Jammu and Kashmir, and it being said that he himself blew his car. It was a suicide feline attack, you can say, and the DNA test is happening of the Umar Nabi and because the DNA test has to be conducted, so his mother and the two of his brothers has been taken in custody, and they are being interrogated also. And this man, the Umar Nabi, one of his friend, Dr. Sajad, has also been arrested. Police has told that the in this blast, ammonium nitrate and the fuel and detonator has been used for this blast. And this Umar Nabi was sitting in his car for more than 2.5 hours. And at 6:52 around, he came. He drove the car from the parking area and blew his car at the same here spot. You can see the security forces has cordon off this area, and they are picking all the small particles to get the investigation done to reach the conclusion. And the whole this Chandni Chowk area, you can see over there, the gate has been closed. All the shops in this area has been closed today. And Lal Killa, you can see the Lal Killa is also closed today. No tourist who visit the Lal Killa to see the Lal Killa can come over here. And this is the road which witness very heavy traffic in the common days, in the any day and 24 hours whenever you come. These roads witness heavy traffic, but you can see here only the media persons are standing over here, and the security forces. So and the Prime Minister has said that the whoever has committed this crime, they will not be spared. He was in Bhutan, and he spoke on this whole occurrence. He said he is in constant touch with the investigative agencies, and no person who has committed this crime will be spared. So now this blast has occurred, investigation is going on, but this incident has shaken the whole Delhiites and the nation. With cameraman Nadeem Ahmed, this is Manish Kumar from the Federal from Lal Killa.